have seen about the working process of operator precedence and associativity, and mainly we have highlighted the very last part of the lecture when compiler will be in situation that behavior of the compiler cannot predict, means order of execution cannot predict. Okay, so move further in the course. This is a very short lecture now that we're going to all going to understand a particular data type that is called Bool data type, or in some other languages it is also called Boolean. Okay, Boolean. So students are from electronics background. They must know, or even for the physics, that those have studied a little bit, they know what is actually Boolean about. They have only two types of value: either it is true or either it is false. Okay. Now, uh, please try to understand the way Boolean is represented in C programming. It might little bit different as compared to other programming languages how they represents. The reason is that I am saying when the first standardization has been done as C89, at that time there was no such data type called Boolean. Okay, so not supported at that time. Okay, so please keep this point in your mind. Later C99, they have introduced this data type. Okay, and they support this Boolean data type through one header file that is called stdbool.h. Okay, through this header file. Fine. Now, C programming that we're going to C compiler that we are using in the online GDB compiler, it supports two different variant of bool. Okay, outcome is same. Okay, there is no difference in the outcome. One is a native data type, another through modifying the native data type using enumeration and type def. Okay, so right now we have no knowledge of type def. We'll see it later, and enumeration as well, another data type we don't know. Okay, so no need to think about these two topic right now. We'll see them later in the course. So now if you don't want to use this std bool, okay, for working with the boolean data type, you can have a native data type. It is written in this form, bool. Okay, and it supports two values, 1 and 0. 1 will be treated as true and 0 will be treated as false. Okay, so not much theory to speak. Let us directly go to the online compiler and see how we can use this. Okay, so I'm going to use now native data type bool, and now suppose I have a flag here, and if I assign 1, okay, and how to print that one, because it is integer value we must use %d, because there is no specific format specifier available for representing any boolean data type. Okay, so I have used a native data type here. For this no header file required, so please note down this. For all the native data types we doesn't use any header file like int, float, char. So then if you want to change the value, it is also possible. So let us update the value to 0, and now let me just print it again. You will see there is no extra thing to discuss. Simple topic, just why we are discussing it, because it for the next topic that we're going to discuss, relational operator and logical operator, that is will be the handy part. Okay, so now you might be one question in your mind, sir, what about that you have listed the two values that is represented as true and false? Okay, can is there any such keyword exist? So now with the help of enumeration and type def, C99 introduced one header file. Please note down this. That is stdbool. Stdbool.h. Now, if you did not like the way that I have created a boolean data type here, you can use small keywords like int and float. You are using bool this way. Okay, so and you can assign the value true and false. Okay, it's not uppercase, sorry, it will be all in lowercase. Okay, so now what is the relation between 1 and 0? And let me show you again. So let us just print it. We can see what is the relation. Okay, so please print and execute your code to understand how it is works. Okay, yeah, now here you can see that the bool f that I have used here, bool f that I have used here, what value that I have assigned true, but look at the console, what it prints 1. So that means all the true value will be translated, or you can say will be converted or typecasted to an integer. Means internally this, either you use this bool or either use this type bool, that internally will be treated as integer type. Do not forget this internally. Okay, so because there is no way that we can print true and false. Okay, so you can use this format specifier. Similarly, now if I just check with the false value, you can see very small topic, as I told you, no? If I just write now false, and if I just print it again, you can see here 0. So see, means again how they works. So if you use this value for any boolean data type, it will be internally treated as 1, and if you use this value false for a boolean data type, internally it will be treated as 0. It is also true for native data type bool, or if you want to use which is based on type def and enumeration, and for that we need a header file, you can also use this one. Okay, it is up to you which one you want to refer, both will work fine. Okay, but one point again, just look at here carefully. You are not allowed to use this true and false keyword unless and until true and false values, unless and until you have included that particular header file. Let me show you again. So if I just put this thing in comment and execute, now you can see this one unknown, this is totally unknown, we cannot use this. Okay, and now if I just update this bool flag to true, okay, and run, you can see this particular line is also raise the error. But if I just uncomment this header file, everything will be okay. Okay, so if you just include this header file, you not only can use this bool, you can also use true and false value with that particular native type as well. Okay, so here if I just update it to the false, and if I just execute, now see there is no issue, you can use any of them. Okay, so careful which one you want to use, and you if you prefer to add inclusion of header file, you can go with the second type. Okay, now another most important part, is it actually in C programming only one represent as true and 0 represent as false? So let us try. So how to try this? Okay, fine, let me just show you here. So let us declare one integer variable, integer, suppose val equal to, I have written -3. Okay, and the flag we have, which is actually bool type, flag, right, flag, and I have written flag equal to val. And now let us print the flag. And see, I have what value I have assigned. I have assigned -3 to the val. And in line number 21, we have what I have done. I have assigned this val to flag. So what it is? It is called typecasting, right? It is called typecasting. Okay, so why typecasting? Because look at the assignment operation at line number 21. The type of flag is bool, but the type of val is int. So they are not same type, different type. No, so that means it will be typecasted to the type of L value of assignment operator. L value, because remember the final value will be depend on the type of L value. So flag type is bool, so I get it as 1. So negative values also represent as true. Another example, so it will be more clear to you. Okay, directly also you can do the same thing, flag equal to -45, right? And now just print this and execute. Now see, negative values also become true. Only 0 is false and all other values will be true. Okay, so careful between this type conversion between integer and bool, and most importantly, do not forget to use this header file. Okay, in your code, if you want to use this bool, if you want to use bool native data type of bool, in such case, this is not compulsory. Yeah, it will be compulsory if you want to use these values true and false with the native type, then inclusion of the header file is compulsory. Okay, so very short topic. Uh, uh, Next lecture we're going to see about relational operator and logical operator, and definitely operator precedence also will revisit again once we added a new operator into our operator list. I hope you like this short explanation. Okay, very short lecture. Okay, have a nice day. Please don't forget to like my videos and share these videos with your friends. Thank you very much.